Hello everyone, let's see today's problem. In a five-member team to go to a science fair, three scientists and two students are to be selected. Ronaldo, Messi, Pele, Diego, and Neymar are scientists, and Bappe, Kaka, Johan, and Luca are students. Let's look at the questions. What is the largest number of students and scientists combinations possible? If Messi is selected, then which other scientists may be selected? If Kaka is selected, then which other students must be selected? Who of the following is not necessarily selected? Okay, let's begin. So it's a five-member team, and we need to choose three scientists and two students. So let's write down all the scientists. And the scientists are Ronaldo, Messi, Pele, Diego, Neymar, and students are Mbappe, Kaka, Johan, and Luca. Okay, let's look at the additional information. Ronaldo will not go if Pele goes. Mbappe will only go if Kaka goes. Kaka will not go if Johan goes. Okay. Messi will go only if Neymar goes, and Diego will not go if Luca goes. Neymar will not go with Mbappe. Messi will not go with Johan. So I think there are a couple of combinations possible. Let's see if we can figure out the combinations, or will that be too time consuming? So out of five scientists, we need to select three. That would be 5C3. That would be a total of 10 combos. Okay, that's a lot. Then amongst the students, it's 4C2. So 4 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, right? And here we have 2. So two combinations possible. Okay, let's start. Oh, sorry, this is 6, not 2. My bad. Sorry. So I think it would be better if we start with the students. So we know we can have BK, BJ, BL, KJ, KL, JL. Yeah, I've covered all. Now let me just look at the conditions on the students first so that I can eliminate options from here. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. The second one says Bape will go only if Kaka goes. So B will go only when K goes. Therefore, this one and this one is out of the picture. Kaka will not go if Johan goes. So if Johan is going, then Kaka is not going. This one is eliminated. So students, this one, and let's see any other for students. Messi is a scientist. Neymar is a scientist. Diego, Diego and Luca are scientist and student combo we have. Mm, so okay, we don't have any other conditions for the students. So we have three options right now, and for the scientists there are 10. So just quickly writing three scientist combos. So RMP. But if you look at the first condition, which says Ronaldo will not go if Pele goes. So quickly, I'm just looking at all the scientist conditions. This is one. Second is Messi will go only if Neymar goes. Then we have uh, okay, we just have these two. So basically, if I start with this, Messi will only go if Neymar goes. It will considerably reduce my time, and I will not have to write all the 10 combos. So let me just start with that. Messi will only go if Neymar goes. So MN is for sure. Then I'll add R, MNP, MND. Okay, these three. Now for the remaining ones, we'll have RPD, right? RPN and PDN. These are the remaining ones. Now the first one says Ronaldo will not go if Pele goes. So let's see where is RNP and eliminators. These two are gone. Therefore, we just have 5 combos possible. Now, to solve further, we'll have to combine the scientist and the student combos. So I'm just writing all of these over here. MNP, MNB, and PTN. Okay. And how many do we have? Student combos, we have 3. Okay, so let's write BK, BK, KL, and JL. Now let's look at the remaining information given to us. Diego will not go if Luca goes. So where is Diego? In this one and in this one. So Diego will not go if Luca goes. Therefore, we'll have to remove Luca. Anywhere else? No. Neymar will not go with Mbappe. So N is here. Therefore this one entirely it's eliminated. N is here. Mbappe is also here. This one is also eliminated. Neymar is here. Mbappe gone. Neymar is here. No Mbappe. Messi will not go with Johan. So let's see. M is here. Johan is eliminated. M is here. Johan is eliminated. So we basically have 2 combos left with us. MNRKL and MNPKL. The only difference being Ronaldo and Pep. Now let's answer the questions. What is the largest number of students and scientist combinations possible? We just did this, so 2 combos. If Messi is selected, then which other scientists may be selected? So Messi is selected in both. Which other scientists? We know Neymar is definitely getting selected. It has to be either Ronaldo or Pele. So it will either be Ronaldo Neymar or Pele Neymar. So 1 and 3 again. Option number 2 is the right answer. If Kaka is selected, then which other students must be selected? So if Kaka is selected, we know the only possibility is Luca. Hence Luca. Which of the following is not necessarily selected? Let's see. Kaka. Kaka is definitely selected in both of these possibilities. Ronaldo. No, Ronaldo is not selected. In the second one, we have Pele. Just looking at the remaining 2 options also, Neymar. Yes, Neymar is there and Luca is also there. Okay. The answers are 2, 2, 3 and 2. Let's check. 2, 2, 3 and 2. Correct. Easy set. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.